Welcome everyone, I'm N.R.T. and on today's video I'll be doing an unboxing video. Our friends over at Durawerk sent us a pair of boots to review. They reached out to me and wanted to know if I'd review their products, and I said sure. So sent me a pair of their boots to review. We're going to be doing an unboxing video and then some review videos at a later time. Here they are. So, have a white bottom and a brown top. I feel like almost like they're leather. Look at that. And says that's just glued on there, it looks like. See, that's one thing I don't like about, especially as a mechanic, and I wear boots and shoes all the time, extremely heavy use on them, is some that looks like that's glued, and what the problem is some of the brands the glue will come undone in the whole bottom, but on some of the high quality shoes and boots they sew that the whole bottom to the boot so it can't come undone really. But these are very nice. We'll be definitely putting them to the test. Testing them out. There's other one right there. Yeah. So I'll definitely be putting them to the test. And see how they are. My boots I currently have are Port West's, and they have been alright, but we'll see how these Durawerks are, and go check them out. I'll put a link in the comments and the description to their website. Go check them out. Tell N.R.T. sent ya, and this is just an unboxing video. I'll be doing a review video and some shorts or YouTube shorts, little videos, and I'll be putting these to the test, and we'll see how they hold up. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you on the next one.